How to fix stories not loading or disappearing on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix stories not loading or disappearing on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're having issues with the stories feature on the Instagram app, could be due to a couple of reasons. The very first but likelihood reason of this is because of your internet connection, so make sure that you have a very strong Wi-Fi or at least a cellular data and see if that solves the problem. And then open up Instagram. Maybe other people's stories are missing, or maybe your own story is missing. You want to simply make sure to go ahead and then disable those as well. Once you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and long press the Instagram app icon here, then just tap the I button as you can find it. Once you tap the I button, scroll and then look for this option called storage, and then make sure to clear the cache files. If possible, also clear the data. Once you've cleared the cache files and data, you want to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, just type in Instagram and then check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Then once you've done that, what you basically want to do is you want to simply open up Instagram, re-log into the account, come to the profile tab, tap the three lines icon, go to settings, go to the option called account, go to this option called mobile data use, and then make sure to turn off these options such as data saver and upload at highest quality. So one of these hopefully may have helped solve your problem. If it did help you solve your problem, a sub to the channel would be appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.